Hello there, how are you? Welcome to this channel. I'm Afreen. Summer, some part of our body is easily got affected by sun, by pollution, and they got easily tanned. And it is not easy to remove tan at all because tan are really stubborn. And also we got pigmentation and problems are going on and on. For our face, hands and legs, we do lots of remedies and product from outside, and we do lots of things. Even we go for salon, for facial, for manicure and pedicure, but we forget about neck. This behind part of our neck is easily got suntan and it seems very ugly. So what you need to do is to treat your neck. Today in this video I'm gonna tell you effective remedy. I am not making this paste using of outside product or any product which is not easily available for you. So all our product or all our ingredient which I am using in this paste is easily available in your kitchen, and also this is really effective because whatever we have in our kitchen is really effective if we use them properly, correct way, regularly. You really don't need anything from outside, any chemical branded product. You never need it. Before starting the treatment, I would say you have to use this regularly, then you will see the result. Because if you're doing any home remedy, it takes time because those are natural ingredients. So natural things always takes time, but they are completely harmless. Also they are 100% effective. Also they make sure that this problem will never happen with you. So let's start this video because I have talked a lot, because I have to say lots of things about home remedies because I believe it. So let's start this video with remedy of how to remove tan from your neck. So what ingredient I'm using is, the main ingredient is all of them. Let's start with my first ingredient, which is I'm showing you a full this yogurt. You can use any yogurt, curd. This is market curd. You can use which you make at home, which is more good. And first ingredient is curd. Second ingredient I have is gram flour. Amazing benefit. Next you have to use turmeric. Again, turmeric has amazing benefit of for skin, removing tan, glowing skin and brighten skin. So use turmeric. Next is lemon. Lemon has citric acid. It behaves like bleach. Next is optional, but if you use it is really good, is honey. Honey has so many benefits and it has no harmful, and also it leaves your skin moisturized. So I always use honey in my mostly homemade remedies. So this is for this purpose. This is optional, but if you use, you feel moisturized. So I have 5 ingredients. Out of 5, one is completely skippable if you want, but I think you will not gonna be skip it because honey, everybody has it. So what you need to do is just take like a bowl, make a paste, add all those ingredients: curd, turmeric, gram flour, lemon and honey if you want. Take all the ingredient in a bowl, make a paste and apply over your affected area, like apply to your neck, and till you will not get rid of your tan, you have to use this every day, every single day. So yes guys, this is really time taken. You have to give every day for this home remedy, but believe me, if you will do this every day, you will see that your tan from your neck is going to be disappear. So yeah guys, I hope you like this video, you enjoy this video. This video is helpful for you. If it does, then please press the like button. It is important for me. And do subscribe this channel and share this video. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.